Hello friends and welcome. Today we will see how to use Mentimeter as a student response system tool. So first of all, you have to type www.mentimeter.com in any browser. So this website will open, then this type of home page will open. If you are a first user, then you have to sign up with your email ID and required credentials. But I have already logged in to this site. So I will click on login. So this is my email ID and password. So I will log in. So as you log in to this site, then this home page will appear. So in this home page, there are different options: your presentation, inspiration, upgrade, then branding and colors, accounts, help. So what we have to do here, we have to create one presentation. So first of all, we'll click on this new presentation. So you can name the presentation, any name you can give. I will give here, suppose feedback about workshop. So feedback about workshop. Suppose I have conducted in a workshop and I want to collect the feedback of it from the contestants. So now this opening. So here one slide you can see, and here you can add the questions. So different questions we can add with different response systems. So this is the multiple choice response system. It may have multiple options. So multiple options can be chosen by multiple contestants or different students. Then this is the word cloud. Here different students, those who are giving the feedback, can write their answer in a single word, and these words can be found, or these words can be appear here with different sizes. Then this is open-ended question. This is the scales from low to high. This is the ranking, first, second, third ranking. This is the image choice and question answer type. So multiple options are available. Here, suppose here we'll choose multiple choice question. So click on this multiple choice question. So here type your question. Suppose the questions we will type: what is your feedback about the workshop? That is, what is your response about the workshop? So you can write, what is your response? What is your response about the workshop? So here, what is your response about the workshop? So I can write here bad. So any options you can use. So suppose I have written bad, then satisfactory, second satisfactory, third good. Then you can add the option here, very good. Suppose fourth option I will mention here, very good. You can add fifth option also. I can add here any option, suppose excellent. Okay. So now questions we have given that what is the response about the workshop, and I have given 5 options here: bad, satisfactory, good, very good, or excellent. So now I can present these questions. So here we can write the question, that is the response question, on www.mentimeter.com site, but student can answer the questions on www.menti.com website by using this code 9633. This is the code. So what is your response about the workshop? So 5 options are given here: bad, satisfactory, good, very good, excellent. So how many participants giving the response to this question will be shown here. So any participants may choose bad, satisfactory, good, very good, or excellent. So accordingly the bar graph will appear here. So I will escape and go back, and we can add another questions here. Suppose I have clicked on add slide, and here we'll take word cloud type questions. So in word cloud type question, suppose second question you can add like which thing you learn in this workshop. So here again we have to means the student who are giving response have to write their answer in single word only. Which thing you learn in this workshop? So any student may write the organization of the workshop, or the delivery of the workshop, or any software tools they have learned in the workshop. So any answer he can write in a single word. So these two slides we can add in this free version of the Mentimeter website. So here suppose I will go to the home. I have created one response system here. I will show you. This is my first presentation. So here I have created one presentation and I have taken the feedback from the student. So it is opening. So my first question was, what option will you choose after diploma in engineering? So five students have responded to this question, and out of the 5, 4 students have given the response higher education, 0 students have given the response government job preparation, 1 have given response job in industry, and 0 students have given response to self-employment and other. The second question is, what is your opinion about electronics and telecommunication department? Write in one word. So I can click on this present so that we can see it in a full screen. So here you can see what is your opinion about electronics and telecommunication department. Write in one word. So students have given the response excellent, smart, technology, future, digital, good, Gurukul. So many responses the students have given. So here 8 students have responded to this question, and the number of students who have given smart is more, because the size of the word depends upon how much students have given or posted that reply or response. So here many students have posted smart reply, so that's why the smart word is a larger inside. So in this way you can take student response system on Mentimeter site. So this is the free version. In free version you can add only 2 slides per presentation. So here you can share this presentation also, or you can delete this presentation also. If you go to the home, this presentation will be stored. So here this presentation will be stored. So if I open this presentation, suppose I have opened this presentation, and this presentation, and I have to share this presentation suppose. So I can share this presentation. So here different participation and presentation sharing. So here copy the link. So you can copy the link here and you can share this link to any students. So suppose I have copied this link and I will open this link here in another browser, for example Control V, and I will click enter. So this is the menti.com. Here what option will you choose after diploma in engineering? So suppose I will choose self-employment. So if I have choose self-employment and submit, then the self-employment option will automatically be stored in response system of this presentation. Here suppose you will click on this feedback about the workshop, and here it will open. So now we can share this response to many participants. So here direct access links are given, so you can copy this link. So link is copied, and now you can, means student can open this link in their mobile phone or in laptop or computer. So if I have opened this menti.com, that is, this is the menti.com, and here the question, what is your response about the workshop? So now bad, satisfactory, good, very good, or excellent. Suppose I have clicked on very good and submitted the response. Now we will go to this feedback about the workshop and we will see whether this response is recorded or not. So now you can see what is your response about the workshop. So one participant have responded very good. So here you can see the very good response have been generated here in the bar graph. So in this way you can collect the responses of many students in this Mentimeter site to collect the response, that is feedback about any event, workshop, or anything you want. So this is all about the Mentimeter site. Thank you very much.